JP Morgan has made some interesting comments about Shiba Inu coin. They are looking to give a big boost to the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin is named after the breed of dog from which it is inspired, and it so happens that this dog is the same one that Dogecoin uses as its image. It runs within the Ethereum network using the most widely used token design known as ERC20. The main purpose does not go much beyond offering an extremely accessible cryptocurrency with which users can own millions or even billions of these to hope that its revaluation will give them generous profits. Guys, always remember that Dogecoin was built as a bit of a joke. The creators never intended for Dogecoin to get this much big, and there is no future for major plans or exchanges. Meaning that in theory for the meme coin space, there is room for a token to take the top spot. It needs to have good utility behind it, which is one of the reasons that we are seeing a lot of altcoins flood the market. Some of them can be categorized as scams, but there are some really interesting ones with great technology. Emerging one of such is Shiba Inu coin. After reading the Wolf paper or white paper for a more traditional word, it does seem like a better version of Dogecoin with a bit more purpose. Its only downfall is that it's not the first meme coin in the crypto space. It might not have that power of being the first to the market. So Shiba entering into an existing market for that to be successful. They knew they had to do something amazing to grab the attention of the broad crypto market. And this is where their strategic moves came into play. They nicknamed themselves as the Dogecoin Killer. This drew in the attention of not only the investors that missed out on Dogecoin's rise to fame, but also caught the eye of the entire crypto market, as many were forced to question whether Shiba could very well indeed trump Dogecoin's rise. Shiba Inu also tactically burned 50% of their initial supply to Vitalik Buterin, founder of well-known crypto Ethereum. Now of course, this type of action would get people talking. And that was exactly Shiba's intent, to get people from all around the world talking, speculating and thinking, is this Vitalik token? Is he involved? This was one of the most strategic marketing moves of the whole crypto market. Cryptos had sent well-known people tokens before, but never 50% of their supply. This was the attention that Shiba and Utoka needed to live out their Dogecoin killer status. And look, they got it. It worked, and it worked like nothing. Shiba token has been so much success since August of last year. They have created a huge highly loyal community, released 3 tokens, created a decentralized exchange that inherits immense rewards for its users, and landed countless partnerships and listings. But that's not it. The future of cryptocurrencies and Shiba Inu is just starting. There's so much more potential for the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu price is drifting along the union of the May 19th low of 0.000607 and the larger descending triangles midline around 0.000060. That shape does have a precise and important line of defense moving forward. An inflection point for Shiba Inu new price is the 50-day simple moving average SMA that is pressed down on price since appearing on the charts in late June. A daily close above the moving average would clear shape for a run to the resistance line of the larger descending parallel channel around 0.0000840, providing a gain of 14.5% from the moving average. A daily close above the larger channel's resistant lines introduces the opportunity for Shiba to test several layers of resistance accumulated over the last 2 months. The first level is the July 6 high of 0.000932, followed by the 15 June high of 0.000986, the June 2nd high of 0.00001048, and finally the May 24th high of 0.00001204. A rally to the May 24th high would claim a 64% gain from the 50-day SMA. In response to the growing interest in cryptocurrency investing, JP Morgan, a titan of wealth management, has expanded cryptocurrency trading beyond ultra-wealthy coins to all of its wealth management clients. As a result, it just became the first major financial institution to expand cryptocurrency services to retail clients. Advisors in JP Morgan's $630 billion wealth management division can now accept orders to buy and sell 5 crypto products, including Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, Bitcoin Cash Trust, Ethereum Classic products, and Osprey Fund's Bitcoin Trust. The policy change became effective on July of 19th, according to an internal memo obtained by Business Insider. The new policy applies to all JP Morgan clients, including self-directed clients using the Chase trading app, affluent clients of JP Morgan advisors, and the richest tier of clients served by the private bank advisors are not allowed to recommend crypto products to clients, and the clients must ask to make crypto trades previously. JP Morgan only allowed private wealth clients to invest in an actively managed Bitcoin fund with crypto firm NYDIG providing custody services. They expanded access to crypto products for JP Morgan clients as retail interest in the crypto market is on the rise, especially after Bitcoin hit its all-time high price of $65,654 on April 14th of 2021, and since then the market is deflated. However, retail demand for gaining exposure to the volatile asset class as a store of value or portfolio diversification remains strong. Many of the bank's clients want to invest in digital currencies. What does this mean for Shiba in UK as times go on? JP Morgan will be adding to this list, and Shiba Inu coin has a very good chance at getting on there if it continues on its current path. Going from a meme token to a utility token was a massive step for Shiba, and 100% shows credibility in being incorporated into the cryptocurrencies JP Morgan will buy and sell for its clients. So guys, please tell me your thoughts about Shiba Inu's price prediction in the comment section below. And do tell me, did you invested some of your amount into the Shiba Inu? I'll catch you in my next amazing video. Till then, bye bye and take care.